Hello, welcome back. I'm Noreen Burke, owner of Call Clutter Fairy Home Organizing, and this is my YouTube channel, The Crafty Organizer. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. The world is crazy, and I am having a hard time gaining inspiration, and I thought it would be fun to just do something really simple and a feel-good video today, which is redoing my coffee bar. Now, this inspiration initially came from the Daily DIYer, Shannon's channel, and I loved when I saw it, and I copied it. And she has since changed her coffee bar. So if you love this coffee bar, I will have the link in the description below for her original video, because this was not my idea. But I have to say it is by far my most favorite part of my home. I love updating it. It makes me happy in the morning. I love seeing it in the evening. So it's definitely been my most enjoyable place to feature my decor and just tweak around when I want something to play with. So hopefully you liked today's video, and if you do, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment about what you like the most. But for now, I'm going to take everything down, wash it, and then I'll show you how I start with the new inspiration for decor. So let's get going. I use dry erase markers, and that way I can just wash it off and do a new design. No one would ever know. So right now I have it clean. I've taken everything off that's going to leave. I still want the bees with it because I just think that's still summer, spring, and I'm really into bees this year. So I'm leaving the honey sign that's up at the top, and I've got a couple of little bees that are floating around. I'm going to leave those as well. But now what I'm going to do is pick my largest pieces that I want on here first and then build around that. This was the first sunflower thing I've made so far. I did do a tutorial on it, but I didn't know if you guys would want to see it, so let me know if you do. All right, I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, but at Christmas time, I took one of these smart water bottles and turned it into a cloche. And I love using this for different decor. So the only thing I wish is that I had found one that was a little bit less scratched up, but once it has stuff in it, you can't even tell. So I have some floral picks that I got from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. So these were $2. I'm going to start picking off the little sunflower heads. Actually, I think these are Black-Eyed Susans, but they're close enough. And then the Dollar Tree had these moss-covered pebbles, so I'm going to alternate them and fill this up, and we'll see how it turns out. At Christmas time, I got this teeny tiny cupcake stand from Hobby Lobby. It was $3, and of course I always got them when they're on 50% off sale. So all I do is with my soda bottle upside down, once it's filled, I go ahead and put the cupcake holder on there and then flip it over, and I have something super cute and decorative to add. What I usually do is interchange whatever ribbon I have for that season so that it's also in line with my current decor. And in this sense, I'm going to use buffalo check. All right, on this week's fun episode of Do As I Say, Not As I Do, put the bow on first so that you don't knock it over and then spill it. Another trick I use with the small water bottle cloches, just to help them from blowing over if you're in a breezy place, take the teeniest, tiniest strip of your shipping tape, and I do prefer the Duck brand over any of the inexpensive brands that you could get from the Dollar Tree. This is just such a thicker tape, and it's really only about an extra $1, but you'll be so much happier with the quality. So take off the teeniest, tiniest strip. You can also use a regular clear transparent tape, but I do like this because you can cut down the exact size you want, and just go ahead and tape it against the little holder, and that way you don't have anything that spills out. And there we have it. Now I doubt that you can even tell, but right here I have the shipping tape. When it's time to take it out, I can just take the tape right off, easy peasy, no problem. The only thing I'm going to still do is cut out the little triangle from the ribbon because I do like that look. And then I will twist it around until I think I like that view the best. So I'll spin the ribbon that way and set it up. All right, so I've got my main anchor pieces up, which are the sunflowers. Now I'm going to start integrating in some of my white enamel pieces that I want to show, and then I'll even it all out with the remainder of my bees and my sunflowers. I don't think I'm liking this. It stopped recording and I didn't know. I'm sorry you missed some of this. So what I explained is that big plate up there is just a white charger that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $2. And I use a dry erase marker to write whatever I want on there. And I love it because I can always change it up, get creative, and I always look at Pinterest or other ideas on Google for the artwork. For this particular decor that I'm going for this time, I really actually want it pretty simple. So now that I've gotten the few things that I want up in there, I'm going to fill in the rest with some chalk work. What do you think? Refreshing this area always makes me feel so much better. Anytime I find that I am lacking motivation, refreshing an area is the first thing I'll do to get that new look and get that new inspiration. And from that, I'll find the motivation to do things. And I know I did a video about this not too long ago, but I just wanted to show you. This really is how I tackle when I find myself in one of those lulls, to just reinvent things and start fresh. So I really hope that you like what I did today. And if you wanted to see how I did the lantern, leave a comment below. I did film while I made that. And if not, that's totally okay. I will find some new projects. I know I have gotten a couple of requests, which I love. I've got some challenges to try and recreate a couple of items, and I'm working on those things right now. And I've also got another of those wonderful life hacks coming up that are so much fun to share. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in just a few days. Bye.